Hey everybody! Do you know that 300 billion emails are sent every single day? It's super hard to stand out. Yet, one of the biggest email mistakes is sending one directional emails packed with too much text and zero excitement. That's why we introduced GIFs of interactive demos for your email campaigns. You can now make your emails less text heavy by enriching an email with a linked GIF of an interactive demo and encourage readers to interact with the content rather than just viewing and reading it. And here is how it works. Once you have your interactive demo created and published, go to the email campaign, click on View GIF, choose your email provider, and then simply copy the GIF and paste it directly in your email. Link it to the relevant interactive demo and you're all set. If you plan to use one demo that you've created across multiple campaigns, for newsletter, cold outreach, account-based marketing, in that case, you can create a unique demo link for each one. This allows you to independently measure analytics for each email campaign. The results, every click is tracked and every lead is recorded. That's it. Give it a try. Storylane gives you one free demo to start with.